What's up, you guys? Evan, back with another video at the car lot. Got some special news. I'm finna vlog this right here. I'm finna vlog this.
What? Finna vlog it? We had a car we want you to see. Yeah, they done sold it.
How you doing, guys?
What's up? How you doing?
Yo, with the car lot. Here, I'm finna get a little car. But I ain't vlogged in forever, so I'm finna take a look.
That's all you can say?
The girl got a little car now. She finna be all around the world. She ain't giving no free rides. This shit ain't free.
You don't like it? Do you love it?
I like this one right here. Yeah. Beep, beep, beep. That girl got a little car now. I'm finna finish vlogging for the rest of the day. Go make some more candy. Yeah. See what you whipping in.
She was like, oh my God.
I get chauffeured now.
You gonna get chauffeured now? I can get picked up.
Yeah. Raindrops.
I love you too. We'll discuss your...
Man, we need to put some 22s on this.
We got rules. We got rules. That's exactly right.
We need to put some 22s on here.
So, we did this, man.
Yeah, y'all did that. Shawty say she love me is irrelevant. Like, bow wow. New car, who this? Next car. Next car, we gonna get the haircut.
Okay, baby.
Yeah, we gonna
I'm gonna
take.
ride with you coming home.
Yeah.
You're gonna be doing about 150.
You gonna be scared.
I'm gonna be holding on like this.
I speeds. Hey, you wanna put some 22s on here?
No, look, don't be talking to her about no real. She ain't changing nothing. She good. Unless she pay for it out of her own pocket. Or you her big brother, you buy for her.
Yep.
Ah! I like
Get
this.
50 bucks.
This thing, yeah, this look quite nice.
Sean gotta pay $20 for a parking spot.
Mission accomplished. I got you. Yo, finna go make some candy for my people in this town. Big supply. Man, look at my wheels, bruh. This is sad. And probably all of them look like that. I ain't got no tread. Look, this the other side. Ooh-wee. It's tricky, man. I gotta bite my fries real quick, y'all. Hold on. If this thing sit right. Yeah. Man, these hoes burn my bacon. I'm hungry though. Still finna eat that shit. Yeah. Look at that shit, man. That don't make no sense, Wendy's. Nigga asked for extra bacon. Then the girl in the window. I ain't even gonna speak on it because she might watch my video and feel offended. But hey, next time I come through that line, get my order right, bro. For real. Young bulls, my face messed up. Hey, y'all seeing me, bro? I ain't even fake, but yeah. Somebody, girl, need to pay for my hair, man. I'm tired of this shit, man. All I done for and ain't helped me yet, man. It's beyond me. Boom. Here's your liquid that you just got. What you're gonna do is, I did it. It's another way you could do this, but I decided to do it this way. So boom, here's your liquid. Gonna get your liquid. I'm gonna start squeezing it in rolls, like so. We probably cut these in half because it's gonna be long as hell. And then I just go around. Boom. I'm gonna just cut them.
What's going on here? I'm too skinny. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm the one right here.
Boom. So once you do that, I already got some nerves I haven't used. I'm just gonna cover it with nerves.
And then, right about more. There's 2 more boxes.
I'm gonna pat down real softly. So if some of it hardens, it'll stick.
We're gonna come back to this. Gonna come back to this. And look. So I'll see you guys in about 20 minutes.
Scan today and they come to the surgery tomorrow. Okay.
This is how it
All
comes
right,
out.
baby.
Boom. Boom. Nigga truck on the vlog, bro. Hey, this nigga loaded as a bitch.
Got to, y'all to know. We out.
Hey, this bitch so good. Yo. Put that good shit on. Hey, y'all see that nigga shit? That been hard. Hey, that been hard. Let me get out around this bitch. Yo. That bitch so hard. Hey. You see that nigga shit, man. Hardest truck out here. Life of Nate.
Bro.
That bitch
And
hard.
I'm finna have some UV license on make that bitch like, you can tell my
You went from the SRT to the
bro, that
big body.
The SRT was so hard.
The
bro.
SRT was hard. I'm finna get that SRT next on so shit.
You finna get a Hellcat?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
I'm on that. Yo. Let me get back in the road. I'm finna go to the gym now. Shit, I be trying to come get y'all in a little vlog and yeah, but yeah, you know, it's another day in the life with me. Trpnvrclsd. Yeah. But we gonna be lit out here in Alexandria, man. Everybody going to college. I'm still down here making my little money. But in 4 years, when they out of college looking for jobs, man, I'm gonna be rich, traveling everywhere. Oh, I'm finna get hit. I forgot to vlog at the gym, but you know, like, share, subscribe. You know, 100 subscribers, we almost up, but just keep my channel going up. We gonna be good. I see y'all boys in the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Boom, life of that boy E.